Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Facebook page. But let's start. Kindly subscribe to the channel. First, go to Play Store and check if your Facebook is up to date or if you have updated it. So if you have updated it, you open. We have Facebook and we have Facebook page. We have Facebook account and Facebook page. Without account, you cannot open a Facebook page. So when you open your Facebook page account like this, you see your left hand side right corner, you click on there, here you see there's a page here, but some phone and see and it didn't, you can open and it didn't see page, you go to see more, you see the pages down there. So here I'll click on the page and go to, and I click on the page. This is the only page that I have. Some people have plenty page, so me, I have only one page. So this is the page that I have. So you click on it and you click on it, it will tell you to switch. Now first I was at account, now it will tell me to switch to the page, so I'll click on switch. I'll click, it is switching to the page. After it has switched to the page, so this is my Facebook page. After it has switched to the page, I'll go to the three lines. I'll go to my left hand side corner top, so I'll click here. I'll then scroll down to settings and privacy. I'll click on it. I'll go to settings. I'll click on settings. Here, it comes here like this. Okay, when we get here, my account or my page is only one. If it is like 2, 3, or 4, you see a delete option here. But since my account is only one, or my page is only one, you see switch profile. So you click on the switch profile. So here you switch your profile now. So you go to switch now. So it will send it to the account. So when it sends you here, you type delete. When you switch, it will bring you here. So when you bring you here, type delete. So you search for delete. So when you see delete like this, here when you search for delete, you see personal info or personal details. And search for delete, this is what it will come to, personal info or personal details. So you click on it, and you click on it, it will bring you here. And you go to account ownership and control. You click on it. You go to deactivation or deletion. You click on it. So here you click on this one. Go to continue. So this is the page. So you click on continue. Here it is telling me to enter my password. So I'll enter my password. When you get here, you enter your password. And you follow the step to delete your account or your page permanently. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.